The USAA Secured American Express card is designed for military members, veterans, and their eligible family members who need to build or rebuild credit. It works like most secured cards, with a credit limit tied to a refundable security deposit ranging from $250 to $5,000. The unique twist is that the deposit earns interest while it is held, adding a small savings benefit as you use the card. Activity is reported to all three major credit bureaus, making it effective for establishing a positive credit history. There is no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, which can save money especially for those stationed or traveling overseas. On top of that, it includes benefits not often found on secured cards, like extended warranty protection, zero liability coverage, and travel perks such as trip cancellation and auto rental insurance. The biggest drawback is the cost of carrying a balance. With a regular APR of 27.15%, interest charges add up quickly, so paying in full each month is critical if you want to avoid debt. There are also a few fees to watch for, such as a 5% charge on balance transfers and cash advances. Although the cash advance fee is waived for electronic transfers to a USAA bank account. Since the credit limit is completely dependent on your deposit, you will need to set aside funds up front, which can be a challenge if cash is tight. Additionally, this card is only available to USAA members, so it is not an option if you are outside the military community. In short, this card can be a solid, low-cost way for eligible users to rebuild credit while enjoying extra protections and no annual or foreign transaction fees. It is best suited for disciplined spenders who can pay off the balance every month and afford the initial deposit. The risks come with mismanagement, carry a balance, and the high APR wipes out any benefits, leaving you with costly debt and tied-up funds.